Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we do daily holistic and herbal videos talking about different kinds of herbs, essential oils, as well as homeopathic remedies in order to better your health and your wellness. In this video, I'm going to talk about the role of stinging nettle as a herb in helping to heal from eczema. And if you have watched me for a while, you know that I have suffered from eczema before. I have also had my 1-year-old who suffered from eczema, and I have healed both myself and my 1-year-old using holistic natural herbal remedies that I have talked about previously in my videos. But today we'll talk about specifically when it comes to nettles. How can you use the power of nettles in order to heal your eczema? So let's have a closer look. Why do we consider nettle among the top herbs that you need to introduce when you are dealing with eczema? This is because it's astringent, and it's also considered as a tonic, and it helps to stimulate the circulatory system. So it's really useful because usually eczema is associated with poor circulation. So the way you can use the stinging nettle, and I talked about stinging nettle many times before about how to correctly identify it as well as harvest it. You can use the different parts of the stinging nettle for different purposes in order to heal from eczema. First of all, we have the leaves and the stems. You can use them to make an infusion, and this simply works by using 1 teaspoon of the stinging nettle, the dried one, and placing over that 1 cup of boiling water, allowing that to infuse, sweetening it if needed, and taking it as a tea 2 to 3 times per day in order to help internally heal from eczema. Because what it will be doing, it will also be stimulating the circulatory system, and it will also be anti-inflammatory as well. Another way you can use stinging nettle is to simply use it in a tincture form. So you can make your own tincture using a alcohol or a glycerin base. If you are into making your own DIY remedies, I will include a link to the video I've talked about, a step-by-step guide on how to make your own tincture. Alternatively, you can go ahead and check any health food store that can sell stinging nettle tincture, and then use it according to the instructions regarding its benefits on the skin and healing the skin from eczema. Another way you can use stinging nettle is to use it in a cream or an ointment. So there's 2 different ways. You can make your own ointment by following a simple step-by-step process, using both the nettle leaves as well as the nettle seeds, drying them up, and then making a infused oil, and then doing a ointment from that. So this is a bit of a complicated process, but if you are interested, I may be able to do a video on that, talking about it in detail. But there is also another way, which you can head over to the health food store, or you can head over to iHerb, Amazon, eBay, and check for a organic, natural, stinging nettle based cream or ointment that you may be able to use in order to heal from eczema topically. So it's really a step-by-step process in order to heal from eczema using the power of stinging nettle. I would advise you to both incorporate stinging nettle into your daily herbal tea intake, as well as, if it's possible, to use an oil that contains stinging nettle or a cream in order to heal the eczema topically. So as far as that goes, there is one thing that I also wanted to get your attention on, and that is the power of incorporating other cleansing herbs that have similar properties to stinging nettle, and this will make your process using herbs a bit more powerful when it comes to healing from eczema. So what are the herbs that I can combine with stinging nettle in an infusion, or combine in a cream, for example, or also take it in a tincture form? So we have the main herbs here are red clover, figwort, and cleavers, and you can take these as an infusion or as a tincture. So we've come towards the end of our video. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. We would love to have you on board. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.